Top of the morning, guys. How you guys all doing? Welcome back. Got another video for you today. So we're going to be tapping into the Bounty course machine. We haven't touched this thing maintenance-wise since the Bounty course that happened New Year's of this year. We haven't changed any fluids or done anything like that. So today we're going to do some inspecting. We're going to check what the fluid looks like in the front diff, the transmission, and the engine oil. Get that filter changed as well, and get this thing back up and going top-notch, just like it should be. If we got some time, we might move on and see about putting that skid plate on, but we're going to tackle one thing at a time. So we got some Rotella T6 over here. I actually run a 5W40. That's just my preference. Got ourselves a nice little Polaris filter, and you can run whatever. Got some AGL fluid, and we got some front diff fluid. So here we go. If you guys don't know what this tool is, this is actually called a ratio right, and you can get these off of Amazon. These things are nice. It's just a measuring device for if you need to mix oil into fuel or if you need to be precise on your amounts. I actually use this to get my amounts correct for how much fluid I'm putting in the front diff and in the transmission. So this is a good little tool to have, just like an oversized measuring cup. We got ourselves a nice, clean, clear cup. We're going to use this so we can inspect the fluid. Grab my cup. Make sure the drip pan's in the correct spot. Pretty dirty. This is the first oil change on this diff, so I expect to see a little bit of color. So, like I said, first oil change. Don't freak out. There's no chunks in there. There's a little bit of glitter, but that's normal. So once we let all this drain out, I'm going to kind of look at this, get this under a light and make sure there's nothing in it. I really don't think there's a lot in there. Yeah, there's a little bit of color in there, but it's pretty much just the same as the rest of this stuff. I think we're going to say that that's fine. Pretty good. So we'll go ahead, we'll let this drain out all the rest of the way, and then we'll put 8.5 ounces of demand dry fluid in this. Also, I'm putting 8.5 ounces of fluid in here because I have an RS1 front differential. Burnt, but this is the first oil change on this too. A little bit of color, but you know, to be expected. I think it looks pretty good. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna let this thing finish draining out. I'm going to shoot a little bit of air in there just to make sure we get everything out as best we can. And then we're going to put, I believe it's 61 ounces of angle gear lubricant in this thing. So. Alright, so now we're on to the old engine oil. So the engine oil has been changed a few times. Get that brake off of there. Almost missed the oil pan. Not gonna lie, that looks pretty damn clean. Well, obviously the oil's a little dirty. It could have been changed maybe a little sooner. But. 2.5 quarts. Put in there. Rotella T6, good to go. So we're all good to go now on our fluids. Everything's good there. I think we're gonna start opening up these boxes and see what's inside. These skid plates in order. We might not put them on, but we're at least gonna get them out and get them on the floor. All right, so let's get these boxes open. Let's see what they look like. Now, I've never ran a Super ATV skid plate, so not really sure what to expect. I've actually never ran any aftermarket skid plates. So I hope it's well worth it. So there's the back piece. Got some plates. Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Here's the top piece. Ooh, nice! Ooh, that's nice! Ooh, that's real nice! Ooh, boy, that's nice! That's what's up. Heck yeah! This goes under the other side. Sort of plate here. I'm not 100% sure what these are for, but we will soon find out if I can get these things off. So, looking at this now, I think it's too hot today. So, we'll save that one for the next time. So make sure, you guys, if you're not following the page already, make sure you hit that follow button. If you guys are interested in becoming a supporter of the page, go ahead and click that Become a Supporter button. You can find that at the top of the A1 UTV page. And, yeah, guys, if you guys want some stickers, it's under the shop tab. I really appreciate you guys for supporting the things that I do here. While this may be a pain in the butt to put on, it's going to be well worth it when we're out on the trails. It's going to save the whole bottom end of my machine from having any damage like we did previously at the Bounty course. And it's also going to let us slide across the rocks a hell of a lot easier. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys are too. We'll see you guys out on the next video, all right? Y'all take care. Have yourselves a good day. Later.